My name is Triple and I, and today is probably going to be the last day I get to spend in the park. This is my usual favorite spot. It's the spot furthest from it's the furthest spot from everything else. Like I said, I remember spending a lot of time here over the last 6 months. But now with only 2 days left to go, I don't think I'll be able to come here again. Maybe on Sunday, but whatever. There's always a first and always a last time. My name is Triple and I, and turns out that today is indeed my last day in the park. It's the day before I'm supposed to get on the plane. I should be in the plane this time in 24 hours, so I don't think I shouldn't say I don't think, I definitely won't be able to come here again. It's been fun. I've had a lot of peace of mind in this place. I don't know what else to say. It is really pretty. Sad to think that I won't ever be coming back here again. But then again, I'm a very sentimental person. I'm sure there'll be better places, better people, and better things. Oh well. So, this is powering this place off for the last time. I have to sort out this mess before I leave tomorrow. Literally 24 hours and I'll be in the air. Right. Here goes nothing. Can I get it all in one shot? Okay, I can. And that was it. Turn off the plug and boom. Done. I won't be powering that on anytime soon. My vantage point now is this bar stool that I hardly ever use. So I've packed most of my stuff up, put all my cables in boxes, so hollow. Everything is hollow. Of course, there's still stuff here, but that was an accident. There's still stuff here, but I just couldn't be bothered to organize it. It's too late. It's like 12:27 in the night, morning. I don't know. So I've got all my stickers off photos and stuff off the wall. For the very first time, the wall is absolutely blank with nothing on it. Except that. My parents will take care of that. One last night on my comfortable cotton mattress. One last night with the air conditioner. Still need to clear up some stuff, but oh well. I don't think you'll be able to see this site again. Just taking it all in because maybe I'm just being too sentimental.